to this whole part. Hey yo.
Where's the lead? There's no lead because it was the old version.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the version I sent.
I'm like, where's the lead, bro? It sounds so
Waka
much
waka
more
waka
sad.
waka waka.
Waka, waka, waka.
Waka flame.
From way ahead of you, fucking guy. Alright, hit me.
And I can't take it, turn it around and start to walk away from me. Don't wanna hear one more fucking apology.
Like he has those fucking like natural emotions in it. That's the best ones.
Definitely.
Like you can tell which ones, you know, like there's such a big difference. Yeah,
Solo.
it's phenomenal.
It's good.
See, but the way that you put so much emotion on that last line, take all the tragedy. But you felt it,
When you
you
mix
know?
them in there together, it's gonna make you